Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to Laptop Drums.
Hello, everybody.
I'm Richard. This is my little assistant Ethan.
Alright.
And this is the drum lesson where you don't need any drums.
Wow.
Yes! Okay, so I'll show you around our imaginary kit that we've got here. So this is the hi-hat.
What's the hi-hat?
Hi-hat, that's the little cymbal that you hit to keep time.
Okay.
It makes that sort of sound. This is your kick drum.
Loud.
Yeah, that's the drum that makes that bass thud.
Tin, 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 tin.
This is your snare drum. That's the drum that makes that nice cracking noise, like
Crack, 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 crack.
and you put it all together and it should sound like yeah. So I'm just going to try out a really simple beat for everyone to practice at home. So it goes on a 1, 2, 3, 4 sort of
Okay.
basis. Alright?
Yes,
Right, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good boy. Right, so we've got that sorted out. Now I want to introduce the kick drum. Just on the 1. Alright, so 1,
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it.
Yes!
Then I want you to bring in the kick drum on the 3 as well. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's it. And finally, bring in the snare drum on the 2 and the 4. Alright? So,
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
that's it.
Yes, we did it, Obi-Wan.
So, young Skywalker, let's put it all together. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, everyone practice that at home. You can make your own videos if you want.
Yeah!
And don't forget.
To like and subscribe. We're
Exactly.
aiming for at least 50 subscribers.
So yeah, please let us know if you like this and if you'd like to see some drum lessons in the library when we reopen. Okay. Say goodbye to everybody, Ethan.
Bye! Ah!